Hi friends, welcome to networking tutorial. In this session, we are going to see about the GRE VPN. If you missed any VPN related videos, you can check out either in the description box or in the I button. All the videos link will be available there. So let's start our today's session, that is GRE based VPN. Now GRE is a tunneling protocol which was developed by Cisco, which allows you to have a virtually point-to-point connection between the two different sites over the transit network. Now the transit network can be the internet or it can be any service provider network. GRE Tunnel provides only encapsulation, not encryption. Now GRE is going to only encapsulate the packet. The information will go in a clear text that something is not much secure. Easy to configure two sites. And the good thing about the GRE VPN is it's going to support something multiple routing protocol like OSPF and EIGRP. Let me just bring up the diagram for you. We have one branch which is in Bangalore. And we have another branch which is in Delhi. And for Bangalore and for Delhi, both, we have some networks. Now here we're going to transfer the traffic through the service provider network. Now the configuration wise, it is very straightforward configuration and simple. If you want to build logical point-to-point tunnel, like in this scenario, I have a public address for Bangalore, that is 199.1.1.0/24, and I have also a public address for the Delhi, that is 200.1.1.0/24, and also I have a network which is 192.168.1.0/24, which is the common private network here. And here I am not using any dedicated lease line to transfer the traffic. GRE VPN virtually creates the point-to-point connection between Bangalore to New Delhi. Let's go to the drawbacks of this GRE VPN. One of the major drawbacks of GRE Tunnel is they do support only point-to-point, and also it is not going to provide any encryption. There is no encryption method, or it doesn't encrypt your information when it sends over the other network. Tedious to configure between the multiple sites. Configuration will be lengthy when the sites will be increased. So that's it for this session. Thanks for watching. In our next tutorial, we are going to discuss how to configure the GRE tunnel in Cisco router. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with me for the next video. Thank you so much.